Straight bottom arm. Sit hand coil, get right out there, hand coil. Lock it in up front.
Let's do it.
Don't resist the water, Sam. Don't resist it. Follow onto the blade. That's better. Yep. Fall on it in a locked position.